Welcome to this SAT Math session provided by Tutorgram. Topics covered in SAT Math section can be broadly divided into 4 different categories. Today, we will look at additional topics in math.
Let's talk about finding length of an arc made by angle theta. We can think of this as comparing a part of a circle to the entire circle. For example, I know angle theta, and if I compare it to 360 degrees, it will be very similar to comparing the arc length to the entire circumference. Arc length is L, circumference is 2 pi r. If I know the radius and angle theta, I can easily find the arc length. Let's take a look at how to find area of a sector made by angle theta. Again, it is very similar to comparing part of the circle to the entire circle. For example, theta versus 360 degrees. Area of the sector is associated with angle theta, whereas area of the circle is related to 360 degrees. Let's say area of sector is A and area of circle is pi r square. If we know angle theta and r, we can easily find area of the sector.
I would like to tell you about our services at Tutorgram. We provide one-on-one sessions to both high school and college students in physics, chemistry, math, and biology. We also help students increase their score in SAT, GRE, GMAT, and AMCAT. All our tutors are graduates of Ivy League universities, and they will be more than happy to create personal and interactive study sessions for you. If you are interested in a trial lesson, please email or call us with your specific requirements, and we will get back to you.
Let's solve another problem. We are given two circles with center A and C. Their respective radii make a square ABCD with a side length of 2. They want us to calculate the total area of the shaded region. If ABCD is a square, then all the vertices have a 90-degree angle, which means that the remaining angle of the shaded region must be 360 minus 90, or 270 degrees. We can find the area of the shaded region by comparing 270 degree to 360 degree and multiply this ratio to the area of the circle. We will double this because we are interested in both the shaded regions. 270 and 360 will cancel out, and we will get an answer of 6 pi. Let's solve one more problem. We are given a wheel with a radius of 12 centimeter. In the beginning, diameter of the wheel makes an angle of 30 degree with respect to the ground. Wheel is going to rotate clockwise till the diameter is perpendicular to the ground. They want us to find the distance that the wheel has traveled. With the help of simple geometry, we can see that the wheel has rotated by an angle of 120 degrees. Therefore, the distance traveled, or the arc length, will be proportional to 120 degree. If we compare 120 degree to 360 degree, we will get the ratio of arc length to circumference, which is 2 pi r. Now, 120 and 360 give us a ratio of 1/3. We solve for L, and we will get 8 pi. Therefore, value of B must be 8.
If you're looking for one-on-one tutoring, please feel free to reach out via email or cell phone, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Please subscribe to our channel for more SAT content. Feel free to share this video with any friends who might need help with SAT Math.